This past weekend, Sean and I traveled to Phoenix, Arizona for the first global qualifier of 2021. It has been more than a year since I have been to a drone race. I forgot how stressful a drone race can be. Like the pre-race jitters you get as you put your drone on the stand, and the random freakouts about things like, where's my good luck chair? And of course, the confusion that you experience when there is new equipment, like this fancy self-tilting launch stand. And no matter how much you prepare, nothing can take away the frustration you feel when you crash, and the anger you feel when your drones break. This was my hardest crash. But after a while, you sort of get used to all the crashes and the broken parts, and you just try your best to enjoy every flight for what it is. An amazing opportunity to fly with some of the most passionate people in drone racing. Like this guy right here. The sun was going down and it was the last heat of the day, meaning my last battery. In drone racing, we all know to never count on that last battery, because the second someone says last battery, there is a jinx that it will be the worst flight of that person's day. But nonetheless, last battery, here we go.
Right now, yeah, we can't run that round, so I'm going to move them. You're okay on 7.
My goal was a sub-50s for 3 consecutive laps, which meant I had to have 3 consecutive laps averaging 16.33 or less each lap.
Go get it.
Junebug 17-2 in first. Colster 16-6 in first. Hatter 22.1 in third. Junebug 15-9 in first. Hatter 20.8 in second. Junebug 16-4 in first. One minute left. Hatter 22 flat in second. Junebug 18-2 in first. 45 seconds left. Junebug 15-6 in first. Hatter 18 flat in seconds left. Junebug 15-5 in first. 15 seconds left. Junebug 16-2 in first.
Oh, that was awesome. You cut your time down by 3 seconds. You got a 47.428. Nice job, Junebug.
To summarize what just happened, I basically wasted the first 4 laps because I was too slow on lap 1 and 4. I needed 3 additional laps under 16.33 each, and I did it.
Nice job, nice job.
So that was my day. I'll list everything that was on my 5-inch quad down in the description. Because I broke all my 3-inch quads, I ended up flying Sean's 5-inch quad after not flying any 5-inch quad for over a year. I'm super excited to be back on the 5-inch, and I'll be trying out the Fly 533 switchback. I look forward to at least another qualifier, and next time I'm aiming for a sub 45-second run.
All right, let's knock it down.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Hey, good job, Greg. Thanks for the stream.
Yeah, no problem.
Until next time, and yes, I did beat Daniel.